Welcome to the last round of the announcement of Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalists. Let me invite Mr. Anjani Kumar, Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City Police for Command and Control Center.
Good afternoon, and indeed a great pleasure on behalf of all my team members, Hyderabad City Police, to be receiving this recognition. And I must say that the platform which you have provided for the entire country, bringing the most citizen-friendly initiative which helps the entire citizen, is really wonderful. And we learn a lot from each other's experience. We learn from each other's new innovation, and a great initiative. As far as command and control is concerned, the Hyderabad City Police has one of the state-of-art technology of command and control, basically to ensure better control over organized crime, and the multiple viewing center at all the divisional offices, the zonal offices, and the police stations. They have really worked together in a very effective way to reduce the crime and also give a sense of comfort and sense of security to common citizen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, and congratulations to you and the entire team. Thank you for joining us. And now invite Mr. S.V. Rajshekhara Babu, Deputy Inspector General of Police from Andhra Pradesh Police Department for Project Sammanam.
Thank you, Scotch Group, for the recognition. We're delighted to receive the award. I'm sure all these technical issues will go a long way in AP Police. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. From Chittoor District Police, Mr. S. Senthil Kumar, Superintendent of Police for Technical Analysis Wing.
It seems he's not online. Senthil, are you there? Senthil? Okay, on behalf of...
sir, good evening, sir. This is
please.
Sir, this is Chittoor Additional Superintendent Police, responding, sir. We have formulated a technical analysis wing with operations Samakhya. Both are for innovative programs in order to tackle all issues and to prevent all religious issues by geotagging all these things, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for awarding this, sir.
Well, congratulations to you. Thank you. The next one also goes to Chittoor District Police, Operation Samakhya.
Operation Samakhya, RCSP Chittoor.
Sir, this is Operation Samakhya, sir. This is we have identified all religious places and audited and geotagged, sir. And CC cameras are installed and with a village defense squad to prevent all these vandalism against all religious places, sir. And to to provide prevent property theft, sir. This has been successfully utilized and we could be able to detect a good number of cases, sir.
Congratulations. Mr. Gautam Palsana, Assistant Commissioner of Police from Rajkot City for ECOP. Mr. K. Vanya Perumal, Additional Director General of Police, Crimes Against Women and Children Wing, Tamil Nadu Police, for holistic approach in crimes pertinent to women and children.
Thank you very much, sir. We are very much proud and we will do further in this direction. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Manoj Abraham, Additional Director General of Police and Nodal Officer from Kerala Police Department, Kerala Police Cyber Drone. Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent of Police from Krishna Police Welfare in Pandemic Policing. Mr. Sanjay Kumar Jha, Additional Director General of Police from Madhya Pradesh Police Telecommunication, dial 100.
थैंक यू स्कॉच। मैं संजय कुमार झा सर की ओर से राजेश कुमार सिंह बोल रहा हूं और हमारा जो है वो डायल 100 पिछले 6 सालों से पब्लिक सर्विस में काफी बेहतर काम कर रहा है। सेकंड फेज की ओर हम लोग जो है आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और अभी कोरोना काल में भी हमारे जो है डायल 100 और उसके सभी कर्मचारियों ने बहुत शानदार काम किया था। इन सबको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए स्कॉच को और आपके पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, मध्य प्रदेश पुलिस और हमारे जो डायल 100 है उसकी ओर से, सभी साथियों की ओर से आपको धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू।
आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। Now invite Maharashtra Police Academy, Nashik, Ms. Aswati Dorje, Director and Inspector General of Police, police training during pandemic.
Thank you, Scotch. On behalf of Maharashtra Police Academy and Maharashtra Police, I would like to thank you for encouraging our endeavors. We will try to do better each time. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
So Kaisar Khalid, Commissioner of Police from Mumbai Railway Police Commissionerate, response to COVID-19.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to receive this recognition from SCOT and collect it on behalf of Kaisar Khalid Shri, who is the Commissioner of Police Railways Mumbai. And had he been here, he would have definitely said that whether COVID times or not, we would definitely look towards raising our standards in to look after the security and our service. And once again, we thank the team of Scotch for giving us this platform. Thank you.
Congratulations. Dr. Shamsher Singh, Commissioner of Police, Police Department, Government of Gujarat. She team support during COVID pandemic situation. Mr. Rajiv Swaroop, Deputy Inspector General of Police from Police Training College, Tehri Garhwal, Police Commando Capacity Building Course. Mr. Mahendra Reddy, Director General of Police, Telangana State Police Department, TS Cop mobile app for empowering all frontline police officers of Telangana State. Telangana State Police Department, Soft Skills and Leadership Skill Training, Mr. Mahendra Reddy, Director General of Police. Another one for Telangana State Police Department, TS E-Chalan, an evidence-based traffic enforcement system. She team Telangana also goes to Telangana State Police Department.
Thank you, Scotch, for all these awards that we have been getting. The semi-finals, and it's a great recognition for all our initiatives, and it helps us to actually, encourages us to work further towards this, and especially the other awards that you had just mentioned, as well as the SHE teams for women's safety. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to you, ma'am. Smart police stations also for Telangana State Police Department.
Thank you once again. And we also try to ensure that the police stations are not only smart technically, but also our police personnel inside are as citizen friendly as possible. Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Yet another one for evidence-based policing, Telangana State Police Department.
Thank you once again, Scotch. And it really encourages us to see all these awards coming in. And thank you so much.
For social media unit and interface for virtual community policing, also for Telangana State Police Department.
Thank you so much, Scotch. We truly believe basically that, we need to keep communicating well with our citizens and be as citizen friendly as possible. And that is the reason we use this social media so that we can be in touch with the citizens and know their problems and, solve it accordingly. Thank you so much.
And the last one also goes to the Telangana State Police Department. My auto is safe, Telangana State Police.
Thank you so much, Scotch. It's really encouraging for all of us and overwhelming also. And we keep ensuring that our citizens who travel on the roads, they are safe. And for that purpose, we have ensured that, our autos also are with us on that regard. And anyone sitting on the auto feels safe when they see this My Auto is Safe sticker on them. Thank you so much.
Excellent. So that brings us to the end of the announcement of Scotch Orders of Merit for 76th Scotch Summit.